Pushes the side one tackler. Taken down at about 33, maybe the 34-yard line. The Bengals get ready to start their drive. Now on first down. Johnson trying to work the middle of the field. There's the difference. You can play zone and drop back and watch the quarterback and you react to the football. When you're playing man-to-man, all you're worried about is where that receiver goes. You try to shadow for the football and try to make the play. Green, the receiver in the slot. Second and 10. Challenging the defender to the right side. It's incomplete. The defender had it for a moment, but could not pick it off cleanly.